quality of the putting surfaces is the primary standard for which golf course integrity is usually measured. Proper and consistent programs are critical to the success of the overall agronomic plan. Greens programs on a daily basis is the highest priority to maintain turf quality and condition, in addition to playability. To maintain greens in a healthy state, a requirement of a renovation is required. Renovations of greens is an important cultural requirement to ensure the long-term health of the green playing surface, which includes vertical mowing, hollow coring, top dressing, applying amendments, with the primary reason being to eliminate the build-up of organic biomass, known as thatch, reduce compaction, apply balance amendments, and promote a greater amount of gaseous exchange.